Scratch that off the bucket list.
Hey, Angus. I need to talk to you. Okay, two things. One, bless you. And two, what the heck kind of sneeze was that?